very happy, I'm fortunate. Sir, we wanted to build one of the most beautiful city. When we gave a call, people came forward. We are prepared to give land. That is 33,000 acres of land. 29,000 farmers willingly they came forward. It is a land pooling. This Amaravati is going to build land monetization project. Sir, I am proud to say the amount of confidence you are talking mediation, one of the best consensus project Amaravati capital that is built in the recent past, nowhere in the world. If you convince people, they will cooperate. Sir, now we are having very clear idea. So many cities are there. You have to witness time and again. Best model, green, blue, green energy, no pollution. I am assuring all friends here, all of you should have one house site in Amaravati. Finally, you will have better living standards and your lifespan will increase minimum 20 years. That is, I am assuring you, that is the city we are going to build, most livable city. Sir, today, sir, you explained our justice city also. I am very happy you gave some suggestions. One suggestion, sir, you have given Judicial Academy, if possible more land. Sir, I need your cooperation. I wanted to build Justice City, one of the best in the country itself. You name Judicial Academy, you direct us as much land we are prepared to give. Second, Legal Service Authority and also Mediation Center. Even International Law University, Bar Council of India, they are establishing. By integrating all these things, the best justice city we wanted to build, we need your cooperation in the direction, sir. Sir, mediation, I am very happy you are passionate. I have seen this concept. Even my father, I have seen my childhood. He used to work as a mediator. He was not educated, but confidence. Even that area, 20-30 villages, they used to select mediators who are all respectably deal the issues. They used to deal number of days, 1 week, 10 days, 3-4 sittings or 5-6 sittings. Ultimately, they used to sort out the issue. Our Honorable Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh has rightly mentioned, he asked me, it is very less, mediator's fee, 3,000 rupees. It is very difficult. Can you enhance 10,000? My people told me 10,000, all of a sudden, more than 3 times. I said, if cases will be settled, 10,000 is not the issue. Immediately for every successful mediation, we'll give 10,000. Even unsuccessful mediation also will give 3,000 rupees. Ultimately, I'm very clear as on now we are watching. India is moving very fast. Vikasit Bharat 2047. As on today, we are 4th largest economy. Another 1 year, 2 years, we are going to become 3rd largest economy. By 2038, we will be number 2 economy in the world, largest economy. I am confident 2047, all of us will work together. India will be number 1 economy in the world. That is going to happen. Sir, ours is the biggest democracy. You are representing Chief Justice of India. What all you are laying foundation, it will go a long way. Sir, we are all, one is country is having demographic advantage. Second is our economy is maturing very fast. Third one, first more advantage of technology. All of us, we are moving from IT to AI. Tomorrow we are going to move quantum computing also. Sir, I have seen for the last 4.5 decades in my life, I have seen there is no power. Today, on your roof, we are producing power. That is the day today. I have seen the day we don't have telephone connectivity. Today, sir, 4G, 5G, 6G we are talking. We are going to provide every home. When I became Chief Minister first time, with great difficulty, I bargained with BSNL 2 Mbps. With the 2 Mbps, I used to have collectors conference, teleconference, video conference, all these things. Today we are talking about gigabit capacity of telecom. So earlier, power was no power. Very soon we are going to export green hydrogen, green ammonia. That will be the biggest business for India. These are all the opportunities available. For all these things, sir, ultimately any delay in justice, it will be delayed development and progress and prosperity. So this is a very good advantage for all of us. Justice and development has to go together. Ultimately, as a policy makers, what all we are expecting at a faster pace development, and if judiciary also will cooperate in that direction, I don't have any doubt, sir, India will become number one. Sir, what all I want to request from your honorable side, make Andhra Pradesh one of the best model for justice city, either mediation or legal services or judicial academy. As you rightly mentioned, sir, if you can bless us, National Judicial Academy in Amaravati, we will be very happy for that. Total construction, even everything will cooperate with the judiciary, sir. With this, there is no time. I wanted to talk more and more. And at the same time, there is a limitation of time. But ultimately, today, I will remember forever. Today, all 5 justices of Supreme Court and also Chief Justice of India is here. Under their leadership, Amaravati will become hub for justice. We are going to provide not only mediation, you name anything in judiciary, we will be number one in that direction. With this, sir, I am thanking all of you. Thank you, Anada.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and forward-looking address. Your valuable insights and continued support for strengthening institutional framework and access to justice in the state are deeply regarded. We now arrive at the most awaited segment of this evening, the keynote address. It's my profound honor and privilege to respectfully invite Honorable the Chief Justice of India and